Hi everybody. In this lesson I will talk about how to create a React project and then add a library of Redux inside that project. And let's start with our directory, and here I call the create React app with the project name is React Redux project. And then wait a few seconds, we have the new project is created with some of the default setting, default package destination, etc. You can start by calling yarn start and npm start. So let's list all the file. We see that our new project is here, React Redux project. Then you list to change directory to React Redux project and list on to show the package destination and show the content of package destination. We see that inside this we have the script start mean React script code start. Then you can run this by calling npm start. So press enter. Then after running, the code is run. Then you can update the code inside this. So you open this by using WebStorm, browse to the directory, then open. Wait a few seconds. Then you see that we have app.js, index.js. Inside this we have we import the app. App is a component, as I see in some previous lesson, and it is a component, so I can add the app to a separate folder. So I call this directory components. So I create this, right click to show it is a component, and app is also a component. So you right click to the new folder and so browse in Finder or Window Explorer in Window, and drag and drop or cut and paste to this to a file, drag and drop or cut and paste to this folder. So we have the JS file for defining component and the CSS for styling. So I can change the import, change the directory, source component and app.js. Not necessary the JS because it will determine the extension. And we have a component inside this. We have the component with CSS and JavaScript file, and then I can copy this. So inside here I remove some of unnecessary. We change the content a little bit. Welcome to React with Redux, because our project is React and Redux. To remove this and change to a paragraph. This is a tutorial, for example, React app with Redux. So this can be changed. So inside this I remove some of the class and this app the header, change the color a little bit to the color of Redux, for example Rebecca color purple. So we change the height a little bit and padding 0, so the text color is white. Then we remove this, not necessary. So here this is my project. So inside the app I see inside package.json we will have a dependency library, and the dependency is a library for production, and or the dev dependency is dependencies or libraries for development. So inside the dependency I can add some of the library to this. The dependency is for the production. I add more Redux. Redux is a library for using Redux. Star means that it is the latest version. At this time I use the latest version. You can add a specific version here. then you run npm install to install the Redux that I have just added to package.json. Here I see that in the node module, check in the node module, this is where the new library has been added. We have the Redux, this is a Redux photo or the library that I have just run in npm install. Inside the app I can import some of the function inside the React Redux library. For example, the create store function from Redux. Create store is a function that create a variable store or store object that contains the state and some other application data. The create store is a function that export that so any other can use this function because it is export from the Redux library. So I can use this function and later in the next lesson, but here I import this in the main file. In the index.js file is a main file that called firstly. So here we see that we also have some of the other component, and in the next lesson I will step by step talk to you about detail. Firstly, you clear to you can start by calling yarn start. Yarn start is also the same as npm start. It will start the same. So we have the getting start project here.